The Mi 11 Lite just got announced, and that's what we're unboxing in this video. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In this video, we're doing an unboxing, a camera tour, and showing you some samples from the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G. That is definitely a mouthful, and considering that there are a number of phones now in the Mi 11 series, let's differentiate this one and see what it can do by checking it out with our own eyes. Let's get to the unboxing. But one last thing before we get to the unboxing, if you're new to the channel and if you wanna watch more content that's catered not just to the traditional techies and content that everyday users can understand and appreciate, consider subscribing to my channel or not. It's your choice. Would be nice though. Right. Unboxing. Ta-da! So the Mi 11 Lite 5G. Little disclaimer on the bottom, 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities. On the side, we have the same branding, Mi 11 Lite 5G, with access to the Google apps you use most. On the other side, we have the same thing. This is a pretty clean box. Let's open it up. Here we have SIM tool. Ooh! It's a dongle, so a Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So I'm thinking maybe this phone does not have a headphone jack. We'll see. We have a user guide and a warranty card. Oh, you guys! There is, can you see that? There's a screen protector. That's very extra. Nice of Xiaomi to do that. And finally, jelly case. We have the phone, but we'll check that out later. We'll see what else is in this box. Power brick, folks. We have the power cord that is a USB-A to USB-C. Do we have anything else in the box? No. Time to check out the phone. Now we have a few little details here. So there is a Qualcomm processor in this. It's 5G capable. I wonder which processor this is. Featherweight design. I mean, I can feel it through the plastic already. It has a vibrant 10-bit OLED dot display, can do 90 Hz, and of course it has a high-resolution 64-megapixel triple camera setup. Without further ado, let's open this up. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait, I'll tell you now, I did not expect this color. This is such a unique, bright thing. I love it. I know it's not pink, you guys, but still, we rarely see nice, bright colors like this. And as you can see, that is a nice matte back. I love how this feels in my hands. I mean, obviously it feels like a sleek phone. It's probably how the edges and the corners are built. I mean, it feels flat. On this bottom side, we have Xiaomi 5G branding. Up top, that triple cam setup and a flash. You can see a very small bump. That's tiny. On this side, volume rocker, fingerprint scanner, and power button. At the bottom, you have speakers, USB-C port, and a SIM tray. Let's see what this is packing. And yes, this is a dual SIM slot, and this side can be used for an SD card. The other side is clean, and now that I notice it, it does seem like the bumper is also yellow, huh? I mean, really though? Who can get over this color though? Look at how the light shines on that back. Right, okay, you guys know what's next. I'm gonna power this up, set it up, and in the meantime, a montage. I'm just really loving this new sleek design. I've definitely seen similar designs in other phones, but never on Xiaomi phones. It's just really nice to hold and very flat. Right, let's check this out. So that is your fingerprint scanner on the sides. And then navigate through the screen. This is what that looks like. Let's get to the camera tour. Right, so under photos, as you can see, we have wide 1x, 2x. Oh, the color in this thing, 5x, 10x, and that's the most it'll go. Up here, you have flash settings, HDR, AI, you have filters, different ones. You also have a beauty mode. And then here, you have the size settings, timer settings, a movie frame mode. Y'all, if you've seen other camera tours I've done, you'd know what this mode is for. But basically, it's a more dramatic portrait, sort of portrait mode. It does wide 1x, 2x, up until, 10x even. That's nice. And then you also have super macro mode on here. On the right, you have a portrait mode, and that's of course the blurred background. You can adjust it accordingly. There's an aperture of 1, even more blurred, and up until an aperture of 16. And then here you have the different cinematic effects. You have AI settings up top, and then under settings, size, timer, and movie frame mode. You also have a beauty setting here and more filters. Under more, we have the night mode, and we can do wide 1x, 2x, up until 10x. Under settings, you can also do size and a movie frame mode on night mode. Nice. There is also a 64 megapixel mode here. That's because the main shooter is a 64 megapixel camera. But again, like most phone cameras, it uses pixel binning to create better but smaller photos. But if you want to shoot 64 megapixel images, you can do just that. Under more, you have the short video mode, which is basically the mode that allows you to shoot short videos. And then from here, you can share it to your social media accounts. That's straight from the camera app. And this is Xiaomi's solution to Androids not being optimized when it comes to social media, which the solution is to shoot with your original phone camera app. And well, this is the workaround. Now on this mode, it's pretty fun because it allows you to change speeds. It allows you to use wide to 1x to 2x to 6x. And you can also add fun stuff like different filters, beauty modes, and this cool kaleidoscope mode. Even taking it a step further, this mode allows you to add background music, and it's built in. And then up here, you can see that it shoots in 720p or 1080p. You also have a panorama mode, a document scanner, a vlog mode, which I know you've seen in my previous vlog tests, but yeah, it's basically a mode that allows you to shoot really quick vlogs from templates, and the phone edits it for you. Okay, let's check it out. So as you can see, these are the templates. And yeah, that's how it's gonna look like after it's been edited by the phone. You have a slow motion mode here, a time-lapse movie effect. So you have the magic zoom, that's cool. You have slow shutter, time freeze, look at that. Yeah, basically allows you to do all those effects without actually editing. Movie magic, man. You also have a long exposure mode and different specific settings for specific scenarios. And you have a dual view mode, which you can switch around and even zoom in and out of. And finally, the clone mode, which again, if you've seen any of my other Xiaomi camera tours or vlog tests or social media tests, you've seen me use because I love this. So it's fun to see on this phone all the other fun features we've seen on the Mi 11, even if this is the Lite version. Right, let's move on to the other side. So on video mode, hey, wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x. It has a steady video, So as you can see, that sort of crops in a little. There are different filters here. There is a beauty mode for video. Video, you guys. Good job. And then you also can shoot in 4K 30 FPS. You have a movie frame mode for video, really fun. You have a super macro mode for video, track movement, and AI camera. There is also a pro mode on here, and these are for photos, but there's a pro mode for video, always fun for mobile photographers and videographers specifically. Now, on to the selfies. From here, you can see the different filters. You have a beauty mode, and then you also have shooting settings. So you can do 1080p 60 FPS, and there's a movie frame mode on selfie. On photo mode, hey, so this, it can do 2x, so that's nice. Not a lot of phones can zoom in on selfie. It can't do wide, but it can do 2x. That's still pretty cool. And then you also have a beauty mode here, very detailed. You have a makeup mode. Oh, and you can toggle intensity. That's cool. I always like that, especially if it's well done. So I mean, if you see if it's natural looking, I like that. And this looks good actually. And then you of course have different filters. Now up here you have flash settings, HDR, AI, and timer, movie frame mode, palm shutter, my favorite selfie feature. And then on portrait mode, you of course have the different cinematic effects also available here. You have AI up top, you have the different blur settings, and finally under more, we've seen all of this earlier. And that was a quick camera tour. Next up, a few sample shots. And that was our first look at the Mi 11 Lite 5G. Very pretty phone, you guys. I mean, it's pretty obvious what my favorite color is, but I love the color on this. So bright and fresh. If you're looking for details on pricing and availability on this phone, I'll link what I know down below in the description. Let me know if you want me guys to do a camera vlog test or a social media test with this phone. Honestly, loving the form factor of this phone, but of course, as in relationships and in phones, I'd still need to spend more time with this device so I can make an informed decision and make up my mind about this phone. If you have comments or questions, let me know down below. That's it for today, you guys. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And on TikTok, I actually answer questions real time and show you guys the tech I'm working on. So I'll see you there. That's it for today. It's been a long day for me. Until next time.